Hello, my beautiful friends. You are highly welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? Wow, it's a brand new day. Hello, have you been able to smile today? Have you been able to put a smile on someone's face? Like I always tell you guys, don't forget to smile. Yeah, it is contagious. Now, let's go straight to the business of the day. But before I comment, I want to say thank you to my other new subscribers. You guys have been so wonderful. I really appreciate. Okay, God bless you all for me. Okay, hello, I'm talking to you, young lady, young man. Yeah, I want to talk to you. I mean, you watching me right now. Do you know you can actually glow without spending one kobo? Do you know you can actually, bring out the best color in you without spending one kobo, even in the market? As long as you are within the vicinity where you can get the few things I'm gonna tell you about now, I promise you, you're not gonna spend much, but you're gonna look good, gonna, glow like, excuse me, never before. So let's go straight. So if you want to glow without spending money, let's just follow me. Let's go straight to the video. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna discuss about this. I'm gonna discuss about this is oranges, though this orange is very small. I have another one. I have my tiny oranges. In case if you want more, if you want, you can just tell me. I will send it to you. It actually looks like tangerine or and lemon, but this is actually oranges. That's the species. This the how do I put it? This organic oranges. This is not real. So just I'm gonna tell you about this. Okay, this oranges. Yeah, normal orange. You can get a bigger one. You can, but make sure you have organic orange, especially the one that is so green like this. It works like magic. All right, so for your acne, your black spots, your pimples, please, I will always tell you, for pimples in this area, please avoid fried food, avoid junks. Also make sure you take more of water. Okay, avoid fried food. Yeah, just try as much as you can to minimize the rate you consume them. Junks, you have to avoid them. Even if you are the type that addicted to it, please minimize the way you consume junk food. And also your stress and your sun exposure. The rates you're being exposed to the sunlight is also one of the criteria that will um bring out or come up with the breakout, sorry, on your face. And at the end of it, it's gonna leave some spots on your face. So let's go straight. How do we use this to get rid of our black spots? Please, when you get this orange for me, make sure you have the organic oranges. I'm gonna tell you about black spots and stretch marks. So these two things you can actually take care of it without spending cover in the market. So help me get organic orange. Don't mind my little orange. When you get organic orange, please help me peel the outer layer, the green part. Don't include the white one, the white stuff inside. Once you peeling it, you're gonna have something like this, and then you sun dry it. It's gonna be as dry as this. You can see I have many here, but I'm gonna show you just this one because this is what I have right here. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, after sun drying it, this is what I have. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna take it to big engine. They'll help me to blend it, and it's gonna be in powdered form. How do I apply this? If you have original honey, you have to mix this. After blending it, you have to mix this and the original honey, apply it on your face. You can be doing that like every evening. It's gonna help you get rid of that black spots and also some of those breakouts. And I'll tell you, please make sure you take enough water. It's gonna help a lot in your breakouts, in your black spots, to help you to glow. I wish you can check out my videos about a few months ago. You will see that I was actually hiding my face, maybe because of the breakup, but I was able to take care of it, and I can appear before the camera. That is interesting, right? All right, so that is number one. And then number two, I'm gonna tell you about um hold on, don't go anywhere. Let me show you. This is for uh your stretch mark. This is for your stretch mark. It's only few that can recognize this. Yeah, this is plantain peels. I have a lot of it. I've already sun dry them. You can see it. This is plantain peels. It's for stretch mark. It handles stretch mark like wow. How do we do it? Just get your plantain, peel the bag. After peeling the bag, you sun dry it. You're gonna sun dry it. After sun drying it, you're gonna get in this form, and then you blend it. You can take it to the big engine. If you don't trust your blender at home, I always tell you, if you don't have blender at home, fine and beautiful. After sun drying it, take it to the market. They're gonna help you 50 naira, 100 naira. They're gonna help you blend it for you and give it to you. You put it in a container, airtight container. Every night before going to bed, you get original honey. Just take little honey. So not honey this time around. Sorry. Not honey this time around. You're gonna get me original shea butter. Try and get original shea butter. Just get little quantity of the blended substance. Mix it with your shea butter. Apply it on the affected area. If it's in your boots, your breasts, anywhere, you're gonna apply it here and then sleep with it. Next morning you're gonna wash it off. You have to do this consistently until you see the desired result. Please remember that stretch mark never occurred in one day, so don't expect it to disappear in 2 days. That means I need you to be consistent. I need you to have that faith that is going to work for you when you are consistent in doing it, and also regulating the intake of food, especially carbs, junks. So that, because when you are size 2, like oversized, definitely your skin is gonna have a lot of stretch mark. So for you also to take care of stretch mark completely, you still need to work on your weight. You don't need to have a sex weight. You need to be moderate, to look good. And also it's gonna help you when you balance your weight. It's gonna help you a lot. It's gonna help to shed off some ailments. Okay, so you'll not be seeking from one brain to the other. All right, so today that's all I have to tell you now. Don't worry, have a lot to come up with. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Yes, I mean you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.